At 65 years old, I'm lifting heavier, moving better, and building more muscle than men half my age. No steroids, no extreme diets, no genetic miracles. Just 6 exercises that completely changed how my body responds to training. And if you think muscle loss after 60 is unavoidable, this video is going to prove you wrong. Most people believe muscle loss after 60 is a life sentence. Doctors call it normal aging. Friends say, "You're too old for that now." Gyms quietly push older men toward treadmills instead of weights. But here's the truth no one tells you. Your muscles don't retire, they respond to the right signal. At PureHealth, we break down what actually works for real bodies at real ages. And today, you're going to hear how a 65-year-old body can outperform younger men. Not by training harder, but by training smarter. These 6 exercises didn't just build muscle. They restored strength, balance, confidence, and energy that most people think is gone forever after 60. The squat. Rebuilding the foundation of youth. Everything changed the day I stopped avoiding squats. For years, I believed squats were dangerous for older knees. That belief nearly cost me my independence. What I learned instead is that squats are one of the most powerful anti-aging exercises ever discovered. Dr. Brad Schoenfeld, one of the world's leading muscle researchers, explains that squats activate more muscle mass than almost any other movement. Quads, glutes, hamstrings, core, even the upper back, all fire together. That full body activation triggers a hormonal response that promotes muscle growth and strength, even in older adults. At 65, squats aren't about ego or heavy weight. They're about movement quality, controlled depth, strong posture, consistency. Once squats became a weekly staple, my legs grew stronger, my balance improved, and everyday movements, standing up, climbing stairs, carrying groceries, became effortless again. Men half my age often skip leg day. That's why their upper bodies grow while their foundations crumble. Strong legs signal the body to stay young. Weak legs signal decline. Squats didn't just build muscle, they reversed it. Deadlifts, reclaiming strength from the ground up. If squats rebuilt my base, deadlifts rebuilt my power. Deadlifts teach your body how to produce force safely. They strengthen the posterior chain, the muscles responsible for posture, spinal support, and total body strength. This includes the glutes, hamstrings, lower back, and core. Dr. Stuart McGill, a spine biomechanics expert, has shown that properly performed deadlifts actually protect the lower back rather than damage it. For older adults, that's life-changing information. Before deadlifts, I struggled with stiffness and occasional back discomfort. After learning proper technique and starting light, those issues disappeared. My grip strengthened, my posture improved, my confidence skyrocketed. Here's the secret most younger lifters miss. Deadlifts reward patience. At 65, patience is a superpower. While younger guys chase max numbers and burn out, consistent deadlifts quietly build dense, functional muscle. Muscle that lasts. Deadlifts didn't make me feel old. They reminded my body what strength feels like. Push-ups, the ageless upper body builder. Push-ups may look simple, but they are brutally effective, especially after 60. Unlike machines, push-ups force your entire body to work as one unit. Chest, shoulders, triceps, core, and glutes all engage to stabilize your body through space. Dr. Michael Joyner from the Mayo Clinic explains that bodyweight movements improve neuromuscular coordination, which declines with age faster than muscle mass itself. Push-ups restore that coordination. I started with incline push-ups, hands on a bench, then lower, then the floor. Progression mattered more than pride. What surprised me most wasn't just muscle growth, it was joint health. My shoulders felt stronger, more stable, and pain-free. Meanwhile, younger guys rely on machines that isolate muscles but neglect control. Their muscles look strong but fail under real-world demands. Push-ups built usable strength, the kind that makes everyday life easier and safer. Rows. Fixing posture and building. Thick muscle rows were the missing piece that changed everything. As we age, posture suffers. Shoulders roll forward. Upper backs weaken. Breathing becomes shallow. That posture alone can make a man look 10 years older overnight. Rows reverse that damage. Dr. Kelly Starrett, a mobility expert, explains that horizontal pulling movements restore shoulder alignment and spinal health. Rows strengthen the upper back, lats, and rear shoulders, muscles responsible for standing tall and moving with confidence. Once rows became consistent, my upper body thickened, not bulky, solid, dense muscle that made my shirts fit better and my movements feel controlled. Younger men often chase mirror muscles. Older men who train rows reclaim presence. Strong backs don't just build muscle, they restore authority. Overhead press reawakening, total body power. Nothing exposes weakness like lifting weight overhead. The overhead press demands shoulder strength, core stability, coordination, and focus. It forces the entire body to work together. Dr. Jeff Cavaliere, a physical therapist and strength coach, often emphasizes that overhead pressing maintains shoulder integrity and upper body power well into later decades, when done correctly. At 65, this movement was humbling. I started light, very light. But something remarkable happened. My shoulders strengthened, my core tightened, and my posture improved dramatically. Even more surprising was the hormonal response. Heavy compound lifts like overhead presses stimulate testosterone production even in older men. That hormonal signal tells your body it's still needed. Younger lifters often ignore overhead work because it's hard. That's exactly why it works. This exercise didn't just build muscle, it rebuilt capability. Loaded carries. The forgotten secret to aging backwards. If there's one exercise that transformed everything, it's loaded carries. Farmer's walks, suitcase carries, holding weight, and walking with control. Dr. Dan John, a legendary strength coach, calls loaded carries strength training for life. They improve grip strength, posture, breathing, core stability, and coordination all at once. Grip strength alone is one of the strongest predictors of longevity. Stronger grip, longer life. That's not opinion, that's physiology. Once I added loaded carries, everything improved. My endurance increased, my core tightened, my balance sharpened. Even my walking stride changed. Younger guys chase pump. Loaded carries build resilience. This exercise doesn't make you look strong, it makes you be strong. Split squats, rebuilding balance, strength, and bulletproof legs. If squats rebuild the foundation, split squats rebuild control. And control is what separates strong aging from fragile aging. Split squats force each leg to work independently. That matters more after 60 than almost any other factor. Muscle imbalances quietly develop with age, often without pain at first. One leg gets stronger, the other compensates. Balance declines. Falls become more likely. Dr. Eric Helms, a strength and conditioning researcher, explains that unilateral training improves neuromuscular efficiency, the brain's ability to recruit muscle fibers effectively. That connection weakens with age, unless it's challenged. When I added split squats, my legs didn't just get stronger, they became smarter. My stability improved. My knees felt more secure. My stride became smoother. I felt athletic again, not just strong. Younger men often avoid split squats because they're uncomfortable and humbling. That discomfort is exactly why they work so well. They expose weakness and fix it. Split squats also place less spinal load than heavy bilateral lifts, making them ideal for older lifters who want strength without unnecessary risk. This exercise doesn't just build muscle, it restores trust between your brain and your body. Pull-ups and assisted pull-ups, reclaiming upper body authority. Nothing commands respect like pulling your own body weight. Pull-ups are often considered a young man's exercise, but that belief is outdated and limiting. With assistance bands or machines, pull-ups become one of the most effective upper body builders for men over 60. Dr. Lonnie Lowry, a professor of exercise physiology, explains that vertical pulling strengthens the lats, arms, upper back, and grip simultaneously, while also decompressing the spine when done properly. I started with assisted pull-ups, slow reps, full control. Over time, assistance decreased, strength increased. My back thickened, my arms grew, my grip became iron strong. Grip strength, according to Dr. Jeremy Lowenecke, is closely linked to overall muscle mass and longevity. When grip improves, everything else follows. Younger guys chase curls for arms. Pull-ups build arms as a side effect, while strengthening the entire upper body. More importantly, pull-ups reawaken something psychological. They remind you that your body still works, that you can still lift yourself, that you're not fragile. This movement doesn't just build muscle, it rebuilds authority over your body. How these 8 exercises work together. Here's why this system outperforms random workouts. Squats and split squats build lower body strength and balance. Deadlifts and loaded carries restore power and resilience. Push-ups and overhead presses rebuild pushing strength and posture. Rows and pull-ups restore upper back dominance and confidence. Dr. James Steele, a researcher in resistance training, explains that compound movements stimulate more muscle per minute than isolated exercises, which means better results with less wear and tear. That efficiency is why a 65-year-old training intelligently can outgrow younger men training carelessly. Age doesn't punish smart training. It rewards it. The mental shift that changed everything. The biggest change wasn't physical, it was mental. I stopped training to look young and started training to stay capable. Ironically, that's when my physique improved the most. Consistency beat intensity. Precision beat ego. Recovery became a weapon, not a weakness. Younger men often train against their bodies. Older men who succeed train with them. Muscle doesn't care about age. It cares about signal. If you're over 50, over 60, or even over 70, hear this clearly. Muscle loss is not your destiny. Weakness is not inevitable. And aging does not mean shrinking into the background. These 6 exercises gave me more strength at 65 than I had at 40 because I finally trained the right way. If this video challenged what you thought was possible, hit the like button, subscribe to PureHealth, and share this with someone who thinks it's too late. And tell me in the comments, which of these 6 exercises are you starting this week?